Let's get artsy with sweet treats. Draw a chicken drumstick. Start with the chicken piece. Add the bone. Give it a face. Color it in with your favorite colors. And there you go. Your fried chicken leg is done. Draw a pizza. Start by drawing a V. Connect the V to make a slice. Add the crust. Give it a cute little face. Sprinkle on some little crumbs. Color it with your favorite colors. There you have it. Your pizza slice is done. Draw a bun with lettuce. Start by drawing a circle. Add some little sesame seeds. Give it a cute face. Draw some wavy lettuce sticking out. Color it in with your favorite colors. There you have it. All done. Good job.